Nvidia has released RTX 5070 GPU. This GPU is game-changing GPU, and it comes with very high performance. You will get DSL4 and many other features with this GPU, and it is available into RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070 base model. Let's see the specification of RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070. RTX 5070 is the base model, and both these GPU card is based on these come with the DLSS4. 4060 Ti is 1046, while RTX 5070 is providing AI tops of 988. Both are using the 5th gen tensor cores, ray tracing 4th generation, and in 5070 Ti we have two 9th generation Nvidia encoder, while in 5070 it is one 9th gen Nvidia encoder. Decoder is two decoder is in the 5070 Ti, while is only one in the 9th gen, while it is only one in the 5070 base model, and both has the 6th gen Nvidia decoder. 5070 Ti comes with 16 GB of GDDR7, while 5070 base model comes with the 12 GB of DDR7. Memory bandwidth is 896 GB per second in case of 5070 Ti, while in 5070 it is 672 GB per second. So these are very powerful GPUs. On the pricing side, GE Force RTX 5070 Ti is starting at rupees 82,000 in India, and RTX 5070 starts at rupees 60,000. And what are the buying options? You can buy it in the Amazon.in or various online websites. So performance wise, it is using the 5th gen tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessor, and 4th gen ray tracing cores. So these two GPUs are good for gaming. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.